Hi, I'm Brian Raisler with Ima Automation North America. We're part of the Ima Automation Global Group, providing automation solutions in medical device, pharmaceutical, automotive, and consumer products. Today we're here at the ACHIMA 2018 show and we're talking about the IQ Flex system. The IQ Flex is intelligent and flexible automation solution that provides decision points and expandability based on customer needs. This particular machine we have here is featuring different processes and inspection steps in the process that would be typical for a injectable drug delivery solution. The system runs at about 4 parts per minute. It is based on Ima's PilotMed platform and Rockwell Automation's MagneMotion pallet transfer system. The system, like I said, runs at about 4 parts per minute. It's expandable with additional bases and additional tracks. We could potentially take this system up to 30 parts per minute and it would perform and grow with the product life cycle with the customer.